The surrounding atmosphere around Empire, there is currently construction going about with the air pollution in Sri Lanka and Colombo especially going up. I reached out to a couple of people to figure out how we can circulate the ACs. Then one of our current residents is who is at Empire, Mr. Scott, approached us, especially the Empire resident, and he introduced a certain product. Filter, actually a sort of filter in his apartment as well. Regard to air circulation, because I was thinking of keeping the air within the apartment a proper state. Scott said that Certis is currently doing the filtration for this product in Sri Lanka. So I reached out to Certis and they came down, they did the installation. So I feel that there will be a difference in the air circulation altogether. So we'll see how this work goes about. Thank you.